entering a really deeply technical organization, the original fear is that you won't stack up to the people that have been there for 10, 20, 30 years. If you come in with really strong AI skills, you might not be making a first order impact. You might not be making a direct code change somewhere, but you can enable people with that deep technical knowledge to compound their ability to make change. And you become an enabler of a tenfold impact of what you would have been able to do as a junior engineer alone. One of the great things I got to be a part of here was a rollout of Claude Code, which is an agentic coding tool that we've been using to accelerate the productivity of our engineering and non-engineering teams. One of the great things that has allowed us to do is have people who aren't traditionally software engineers, like people on our support teams or some of our hardware teams, identify a need for a software solution somewhere and go out and develop it on their own, right? From ideation to the final development and close to delivery, they don't necessarily need a developer to follow them along anymore. So I really think that there's going to be a reframing of what it means to be a junior engineer. I think traditionally it's meant a lot of small building blocks, a lot of GUI changes or one-line code changes. I think with the advent of AI and the opportunity that it presents, you might make fewer direct contributions on day zero, but over time, you're providing people across your organization with the tools and the knowledge and the skills necessary to create the solutions to their own problems. If you're a young engineer looking out at the job market and out at the opportunities in front of you right now, and you have fear around AI, I really think if you reframe it as something that presents you the opportunity to make a huge impact, especially in deeply technical organizations, you'll find it to be a bountiful source of amazing opportunities.